Hey everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. And in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys the Revolut Swift Bank Code International BIC. So as you can see, simply it is Revo GB2 L triple X. This is the LTD BIC slash Swift code details. Now, if I give you guys the whole picture, the Swift code is this one, right? Which is the Revo GB2 L triple X, all of them in capital. If they ask you for the Swift code of 8 characters, that is the Revo GB2L. The branch name is Revolut Ltd. The branch address is floor 4, the Columbus Building, 7 West Ferry Circus. Branch code, whatever code that is. And then Revolut ID cities London, countries United Kingdom. Now, for the triple X, it is the 3 digit specifying a particular branch, which is, as you can see, this one for the branch code. The bank code A to Z is the 4 letters, which is the first one, and then the country code is the next 2 letters, GB. Location code is the 2L, and then triple X is your branch code. Okay, don't put triple X over here. This is your branch code. So whatever your branch is, make sure you put that in. You could also check your code from Wise, and this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.